Hey everyone, today I am showing you one of the most popular new 55 plus neighborhoods in Tradition, Port St. Lucie, Florida. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Laura McClelland. I am a local real estate agent in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I work alongside my partner, Michael Borgen. Together, we make videos about Port St. Lucie and Port St. Lucie real estate, and we specialize in new construction homes. Whether you're looking to buy a new construction home or make a move, we'd love to help. Feel free to call, text, or email us to get started on your home buying journey. And remember, using us as your realtor for new construction doesn't cost you anything because the builder pays your agent's commission. Today we are talking all about Telaro at Tradition. So let's dive in, but stay tuned because I am going to personally show you around the community and the Clarion floor plan here in just a bit. This builder is currently offering a really fun incentive of including a 4-seater EV golf cart with the purchase of some of their inventory homes. If you'd like some more information, just comment below. Telaro at Tradition is a vibrant, active lifestyle community tailored to residents aged 55 and older. Nestled in the heart of Tradition in Port St. Lucie, Florida, Telaro is one of the more intimate communities in the area, with plans for approximately 440 homes. It is a perfect blend of thoughtfully designed quality construction and a focus on fostering a dynamic and engaging lifestyle. What sets Telaro apart is its commitment to quality construction. Every home in the community is built with a full concrete block structure, ensuring durability and resilience. In addition, hurricane impact resistant windows and doors provide peace of mind during Florida's stormy seasons. These homes are as functional as they are beautiful, with brick paver driveways that add a touch of elegance to the exterior. Another standout feature is the inclusion of a tankless gas water heater at no extra cost. These energy efficient systems provide hot water on demand while reducing energy consumption, a valuable addition for homeowners looking to save on utility bills. As for the community itself, it's packed with amenities. The HOA fee is approximately $513 per month, divided into two parts. The first $313 covers an impressive range of amenities, including a 20,000 square foot clubhouse featuring a social hall, sports lounge, game rooms, an art studio, and a fitness center with spin classes. Residents can enjoy a massage therapy room, a steam room, and a full-time lifestyle director to plan activities and events. Outdoor amenities include an Oasis resort-style pool, a lap pool, a whirlpool spa, shaded cabanas, and pickleball courts, community gardens, walking trails, and plenty of social clubs like biking, cooking, yoga, Zumba, wine tasting, and many, many more. The other $200 of your HOA fee covers the Tradition Master Association, which includes cable TV, high-speed internet, and a home security system. Lawn irrigation and landscaping for both your yard and common areas are also included. Right outside of this beautiful community is the Heart of Tradition, featuring a 77-foot heart sculpture and a bustling plaza. There will be an Aldi grocery store, restaurants like Rita's Italian Ice, Kyle G's Amore Chop House, Sarah's Kitchen, Lee Bistro de Paris, Carmela's Coffee, and other businesses like hair salons, nail salons, and dental offices. Telaro is even adding another gated entrance to allow direct access to all of these great nightlife options. For those considering a home built by Mattamy Homes, you'll find that the craftsmanship and the customer experience are exceptional. Each home purchase includes a limited 1-year warranty, providing additional peace of mind. As someone who personally closed on a Mattamy home in Tradition, I'm well versed in the process and can offer guidance every step of the way. Now let's talk about the Clarion floor plan. A single-story home offering a perfect mix of functionality and style. This floor plan features 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,351 square feet of living space, a 2-car garage, and a flex room. You can choose from 3 distinct architectural styles. Coastal, which offers a charming aesthetic with siding-like finish, although it's actually fully concrete. Contemporary, which features a sleek, modern finish. and transitional, which combines the traditional Florida design with a touch of modern. The base kitchen includes a traditional push-in gas range and oven, but you can upgrade to a gourmet kitchen with a flat-top gas stove and double ovens. The flex room can be converted into a study with French doors for a peaceful and private space. Alternatively, if you need more living space, you can substitute the flex room for a third bedroom. The standard second bathroom does include a bathtub, but you can have the option to upgrade to another standing shower instead. In the owner's suite, you can upgrade to have an owner's bath oasis, which you will see in the model home. This really elevates the space and gives you that beautiful soaking tub in the middle of the bathroom. The base price of this home is $487,990 without any of the upgrades or lot premiums. If you are looking for more of a private backyard, they have lots located on a berm starting around $9,500. If you're looking for a lakeview lot, you're looking at around $20,000 to $37,000, depending on the location along the lake for the homes in the Tranquility Collection, which would include the Willow, Sage, Sage Elite, Haven, and the Clarion floor plan. For those interested in some of the larger floor plans, these are on larger lots, which are 60 by 120 feet. For these Lakeview lot premiums, they can start around $50,000. Some other information on the homes in this community, they include French rain gutters around the whole home, meaning they drain under the ground. This community also has CDD fees, which stands for Community Development District. These fees are added on to your annual property taxes and help cover the cost of infrastructure, amenities, and maintenance. At Telaro, CDD fees range from $739 to $815 annually. Living at Telaro means being a part of a close-knit, active community where residents can thrive. The full-time lifestyle director ensures that there are plenty of activities to suit various interests. Whether you're into fitness, arts and crafts, or socializing over a glass of wine, you'll find something that resonates with you. The walking trails and community gardens are perfect for those who enjoy connecting with nature. Meanwhile, the pickleball courts and Zumba classes cater for those who love staying active. Social clubs and events provide ample opportunity to build lasting friendships and create memories. Telaro at Tradition offers the perfect combination of quality homes, exceptional amenities, and a vibrant lifestyle. Its intimate size ensures a sense of community, while the thoughtfully designed homes cater to the needs and the preferences of active adults. With its impressive range of amenities, the added convenience of included services like cable, internet, and landscaping, Telaro stands out as one of the premier 55 and older communities in Florida. If you're considering making Telaro your home, we'd be delighted to assist. As someone who has firsthand experience with the home buying process here in Tradition, we can provide valuable insights and guidance to help you find the perfect home. Whether you're drawn to the Clarion floor plan or another model, Telaro at Tradition promises a lifestyle that's as enriching as it is enjoyable. watching. If you made it this far, I truly appreciate your time. Just a quick reminder, if you're thinking about moving to Port St. Lucie, Florida, and want to explore these beautiful homes, reach out to us before visiting these builders. If you register with them first, you lose the opportunity to have your own representation throughout the process. Having a knowledgeable realtor on your side makes all of the difference, and it doesn't cost you a thing. If you're considering a move to Port St. Lucie, head over to our website for your free copy of our exclusive Port St. Lucie relocation guide, packed with helpful information about the area and fun things to do. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date on the newest home opportunities. See you next time.